Here are the main steps to bleed a Rockrider by Tektro TKD32 rear hydraulic brake. You can notice the difference between an already bleed brake and a 5-year-old hydraulic fluid. Remove the rear wheel first. The procedure is easier for the front brake since you need to have the bike in the natural position. Wear gloves for protection from the corrosive fluid. Be careful at not spilling the fluid on the brake pads, or remove them and insert a wider bleed block. Sign the handlebar for being able to turn back to the original position and move the lever horizontally. Fill the caliper syringe with 20 or 30 milliliters of Shimano mineral hydraulic fluid. Tap the syringe to remove bubbles, pushing them upward and expelling them. Remove the lever bleed screw and attach the empty syringe. The lever syringe has to be mostly empty. Clump the hose with a clip for preventing the fluid to spill out from the caliper. Rotate the bike so the brake hose is slightly vertical. Remove the caliper bleed screw and thread in the full syringe. Remove the clip. Slowly push fluid from the caliper syringe up to the lever. Gently pull or push the lever syringe plunger a few times to draw out trapped bubbles. Continue until bubbles stop appearing in the lever syringe. Reclump the hose using the clip. Remove the caliper syringe and reinstall the caliper bleed screw. While maintaining slight pressure on the caliper syringe, remove the lever syringe and reinstall the lever bleed screw. The fluid is corrosive, so clean immediately any spilled oil.
È centrata con il filo il segno che fa.